We have all seen or heard about people who do lead amazing lives and do the things that they love to do. Our true self whispers with excitement, "Wow, I wish I could live like that." Today, we're going to learn about a few ideas on how to live an amazing life. Number 1, visualize your amazing life. Sit down, relax, and imagine how you want your life to be. Take some time for yourself to reflect on all aspects of your life, from health and wealth to relationships and spirituality. Ask yourself how you can get all of these things to be in your life. What do you love to do? What changes must you make? Write it down and start spending your amazing days accordingly. Number 2, eat well, eat healthy. People who lead amazing lives stay healthy as much as possible. As they say, you are what you eat. Start eating healthy and on time. Get rid of bad eating habits like not drinking enough water and skipping breakfast and starving yourself. It does no good to you, and you'll end up eating more than you need to usually. Instead, eat small meals 4 to 5 times a day. Avoid junk food and eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Number 3, move your body more. Our bodies were made to move, so the less you feel like going for a walk, the better you'll feel after going for a walk. You can also get a membership to a gym or yoga club, or you can even join a dance class. Moving our bodies will make us more active and fresh throughout the day. Number 4, groom yourself. When most people plan their daily routine, they forget to build their grooming habits and often take it for granted. Take some time to perfect your grooming. Stay neat and clean. Give attention to your physical appearance, like how you dress up for work or a date or even a picnic. People who are well groomed tend to be well liked. Remember, how you present yourself can have a significant impact on your life. Number 5, grow your relationships stronger. Stress in your relationships, whether romantic or not, can affect your mood or worse. Ups and downs are part of every relationship, but the toxic ones can kill your happiness. Avoid those and build relationships that lift you up and complement your life. Number 6, be open to anything. Keep stepping out of your comfort zone. Being in your safe zone will make your life boring. Don't be afraid to think outside of the box. Challenge yourself. Challenge the norms of society. Don't think that you know everything right now. Be open to other people's ideas, thoughts, and criticisms. Respect their point of view. Let others be themselves, and this will help you be the best version of yourself. I hope you're feeling great after learning about all of these incredible principles. The time for action is now.